Let's do another Qigong exercise for beginners. We open into Wuji, the ergonomic neutral position. Knees bent, sinking the lower part of our body a little bit, floating the upper part of our body a little bit. Bottom heavy, top light. Relax from head to toe. Float the head and breathe in. Exhale, feel the soles of your feet. The weight on the soles of your feet. Float, inhale. Exhale, sink. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Smile from your heart. Feel joy. Let it build inside your body and fill you up. And blossom out as a blessing to others. Smile from your heart. Your eyes closed if you feel safe. You can also watch this to get the movements and then watch it again as meditation. We're going to be doing lifting the sky, so like we're pressing down, we just lift our arms up in front of us, overhead, and press up. Like we're lifting the sky. Then our arms float down. We do it again, inhale up, press, exhale down, sigh of relief. Breathing in, breathing out, lifting the sky, exhaling, sinking down to ground. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Enjoying your breathing. Smiling from the heart. Don't worry about the form. Our hands are just floating up and floating back down. This is a great exercise, but if we do exactly opposite, palms up, circling overhead like a ballerina pose, breathing in, and then breathing out as the arms float down, circling up, overhead, pulling down right in front of our body, breathing in, breathing out, gathering chi from the heavens. And then we're going to become a swimming dragon, lifting the claws up along our sides. Claws to the front, pushing out, pushing back the hips, our head in between the claws in the water. We can't breathe in here. We need to stand up, pull ourselves up out of the water. Breathe in. And we breathe out. As the dragon swims, we inhale and exhale. Now you've got it. Let go and become the powerful dragon. Swimming in the ocean. Lifting its head to the sky. Let go. Arms float down. Just let everything go. Let your body move. Unwind. Drift. Like the dragon coiling, twirling in the sky. Moving however your body feels. It needs to move free, unwinding, unshackling itself. No limitations. Freedom. Joy. Enjoyment. And when you're ready to stop, gently think of your lower dantian, below your belly button, and in. Find it, notice it, store your energy there. And now just enjoy the stillness. Head in the clouds, feet on the ground. All life in between. And when you're ready to come back, rub your hands gently together, generate some heat, press the warm palms over your still closed eyes. Enjoy the stillness and the darkness a little bit more. Relax. And then blink open your eyes. Lift your palms. Dry wash your face. Fingertips through your hair, reaching your scalp. So fingertips through your hair, reaching your scalp. The ears could use some rubbing. We're going to do an Acupoint Massage with warm hands using our middle finger or our index finger. We're going to start at the inner corner of the eye. We're not touching the eyes. We find that point and we circle. We've got a lot of energy in our hands. We're applying it to these acupuncture areas. It doesn't have to be exact. Inner corner of the eyebrows. Swipe across from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eyebrows. Right in the center, right above your pupil. Outer corner of the eyebrow. Outer corner of the eye. Swipe under the eyes. Under the pupil. Back, inner corner of the eye, down the ridge of the nose, and the bridge of the nose, the base of the nose, behind the ears, temples, with the palms over the ears, and we're going to drum with our fingers striking where the head, the base of the skull meets the pillow. 24 times. Drum, 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 drum. Beating the heavenly drum. Now I'd like you to turn and look at this beautiful scene with me. Sigh of satisfaction, the ah sound. Ah.